Hi there, my name is Drijver and I'm going to teach you how to play bridge. Bridge is the best game in the world. In these 12 lessons, you will learn how to play this game. And after these lessons, you will be able to play in a club or you will be able to play online and also enjoy this game. You could only look at these clips and practice some online, or you could take some classes with a teacher, online or live, or you could take a book with it, just how it suits you best. Well, let's see. First, I will give a small introduction of myself, and I will do that with my brothers. So this is the three Drijver brothers. This is Bob. He is a professional bridge player. This is Bas, or Sebastian. He is a professional bridge player too. And this is me. I'm the teacher of the Drijver brothers. I work at elementary school. I teach online bridge. So let's see what happens. Let's start with the cards. I also have cards with me. It's just a normal deck of cards, what we play with. Just like these. Not with the jokers, but only with the real cards. And we use all 52 cards. So you have 13 clubs, 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, and 13 spades. Together, 52 cards, and each player is dealt 13 cards. Now, each card has a rank, some kind of value. So the ace is the highest, and the 2 is the lowest. It's always the same. At some card games, the ace can also be 1 or 11 or something, but in this game, in bridge, it's always the ace is the highest, then the king, queen, and the jack. They're called honors, and then 10 to 2. Like I told you, these are the honor cards, the picture cards, the ace, the king, the queen, and the jack. Well, this is about the dealing the cards and the sorting. You're with 4 players, so the dealer shuffles the cards, and every player gets 13 cards. And you can, the best thing you can do is to sort your hand. Place all the cards of one suit together. So spades together, hearts together, clubs together, and diamonds together. And sort them by rank, high to low. And also spade, heart, club, diamond, or black, red is most easy. Otherwise, you could sometimes mix them up. We play bridge with 4 players. So the table, this is an example of a bridge table, has 4 sides: north, east, south, and west. And east-west are partners, and north-south are partners. It's called a pair. So you play pair against pair. It's also called a partnership. So north-south will play against east-west, and the partnerships will be the same during the game. They won't change. So now we are seated, we can start the game. The basic of bridge is to win as many tricks as you can. So the one thing is important to know is what is it that wins a trick. Just take an example. West plays the jack of hearts. Now go clockwise. North the 5, east the 2, and all players must follow suit, hearts. So you must remember, always follow the suit. When one player plays hearts, and you have hearts in your hand, you have to play hearts, you can't play a spade. South wins the trick because the king is higher than the jack, and higher than the 5, and higher than the 2. So it's the highest in rank. And when you win the trick, you can play the next trick. Another example. South plays the 2 of spades. Clockwise, the 7, the 9, and the 10 of hearts. Who will win this trick? I told you you have to follow the suit. So the 10 of hearts won't win this trick. It's the 9 of spades. North wins the trick. Even though it's the 10, it's not the right suit. So East hasn't got any spades left, so he can't win the trick. He has to follow the suit. So the highest card in rank wins the trick. And you must follow suit. And the player who wins the trick leads the next trick. So that in that way, all the 13 cards will leave your hand. But it's important, like I told you, it's important to work in partnerships. Partnership. When your partner seems to win the trick, you shouldn't overtake that one. So let's see, you have the ace, the 7, and the 2. You can play the 2 because your partner did win the trick. You don't need to overtake the king. When East would have played the king, you can take the ace. So this is partnership. Bridge is about teamwork. That makes it very, very interesting. Now the next thing. I told you have to follow the suit. In bridge, there you have another important thing. It's called trumps. You must follow the suit and play a card, whatever suit is led. But if you are out of this suit, you can play another card. You can choose any other card you like. But the trick can only be won by the highest card in the suit led, or a card from the trump suit. That's called trumps. So let's take an example. Let's say diamond is trumps. East plays the ace of spades. South has no spades left, but he has the 2 of diamonds. Who wins the trick? It's South. The trumps always beats another suit. But he can only play it when he's out of spades. And trumps is always the boss. Another example. Again, the same thing. Diamond is trumps. East plays the ace of spades. South hasn't got any spades. Which card should South play? He has the 2 of diamonds and the 2 of clubs. He can play both. He's allowed to play the 2 of diamonds or the 2 of clubs. But when he does play the 2 of diamonds, he wins the trick. When he plays the 2 of clubs, he doesn't win the trick. So this is the basics about trumps. Remember, follow suit. If you can't follow suit, you can play any other cards, but only if the other suit is trumps, you can win. Now the next question will be which suit becomes trumps? Well, in bridge, the trump suit is determined by the auction. There are 2 parts in the playing of bridge. You have the auction and the playing. So in bridge, the trump suit is determined by the auction. I will tell you more about that later. But you can also play in no trumps. So you can play clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades, all trumps, or no trump. So 5. And this is your bidding. This is the way you can bid. And I will tell you more about that in lesson 2. Then we will discuss how you can start the auction and how you can bid. So this was lesson 1. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you will join us for the next lesson, lesson 2, where we will start to learn how to bid. See you next time.